the devil rear him ugly again in the community where man a fire shot per man.
Yeah.
Again, generally, it not going away. No winner, no unite. See, it stopped the program there. Because the coach live at 4th Street.
Yeah.
And the coach have a pass about 4 different gun corner, 4 different boundaries, 4 different borderline before him come there. So when the coach called me and said, hey, JayJay, I go and breeze, you know, because the place hot. I said, coach, do your thing, man. Because at the end of the day, I was safe to come first.
Yeah.
But what caused that? We were there.
The Satnam, we have the son of Tara and Suki. And the reason why I want Satnam there right here so now, for that news I know we're about to share because smile still can't come off. I'm gonna talk it through Satnam. The smile don't come off. Hey, we're gonna make you hear something. What a surprise that. Make sure you hear the voice, like you see the face. Alright, so I'm not worried about tomorrow. My life is in His hands. I'm not worried about my sorrows. I'm here at His command. Give me strength when I need it.
Feel so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, I'm running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second, cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feel so.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Watch your man. Jesus, God Almighty. And I chill either. You look right there, chill either, brother. Yo. See, turn up, twist up in the road. Yeah. Blouse and skirt, brother. Me eat there on them chill either.
When I hold him, I drive so.
Yo!
I hope everything alright. I hope the driver alright.
Everybody alright.
Everybody alright.
And them there for the dinner, brother. You say that you have to just look, you have to be careful, brother.
I have to look out for them, you know, because they not look out for you, you know.
If you tell you.
So we're in the classroom.
Yeah. Update.
We're in the classroom.
Yeah.
Right there,
I'm
student.
classroom for now.
Okay.
That is Floyd.
Floyd.
Yeah, that's
Mayweather?
No, Pretty Boy Floyd.
Oh, okay, so Pretty Boy Floyd.
Yeah. That's
Pretty Boy Floyd well goes in the classroom. Yeah. So JayJay, stand up right there, man. We are going, man. We're in the classroom, you know. Yeah, the first student we see in here.
Yeah.
You is the first student we see in here, JayJay. And it's a big classroom.
Yeah, man, so you know.
Nice.
We have to help the workman them.
Clear up.
So. Decking time now, you know.
Yeah, decking time now. Yeah. I love the look. And I know all extended family, you know, is more than loving what they see. Come out here, sir. Come out here. Come out right at the front.
I deck the top, man. And a zinc. They will not put them have to eat now. They never eat.
Yes, JayJay.
Yeah.
This is where it is. This is an update on what's going on the JayJay book and bar. So this is the classroom. You know, I want to thank the extended family so much. You know, Eternal Love, Arlem, Mel, you know, Pablo, Tara and Suki. We have thanked Tara and Suki so much. You know, for this youth strength. You know, for this huge youth strength for this building to be up. You know, we just want to. I'm gonna say the thank you. We don't know if to thank them, you know.
Understand.
Yeah, so sometimes we don't say the thank you because we nothing else to say. So, but we know Father God would thank them at most for us. But for this, the building, you know, what you're seeing, the youth strength from Tara and Suki, you know, Arlem, you know.
Split in two, so you have the young, so you have the basic set over here, so and they have the, you know, high school set. So this is it, peeps. This is it. As when you can see, when you see the money come to JayJay and everything, and you see where it goes. Right. He never turn a blind eye and spend it on himself or waste it on any soul. So this is where it all lies. This is where everything is. This is the future for the kids them. This is the future generation here for a lot of Trenchstone youths where JayJay, I'm kind of happy. I'm seeing more blacks out there, right? So you see me burn out that tree, yeah?
Yeah.
Because you see the shower there. We have shower.
Oh, so.
Tile.
Oh, so you have the shower here?
Yeah, but along here. So once we deck the top now, I when we in the process of deck the top, we just ask the workman how much we do this because that's how we do it.
Boom.
That's how we do it, you know. We take it stage by stage. So this are 3 phases.
Yeah.
So phase 1, I would dig the foundation, take it out of the ground. Phase 2, carry it up to decking level. And then phase 3, I go be the decking.
Yeah.
So we take it step by
step.
You know? So
and we are a great step right now. With a great result.
To be honest, I'm so vexed how the workman in the day because as some man them will know what I do. And right now, I have a piece of change for them, but them know how the thing go. They know say I know me I do it out of my pocket. So them have to wait. Remember them have kids to feed too. You see me I say? So that's why you see decking even started. That's why you see they have the material because you don't know how to take it stage by stage because over the world hard kind of old. Everybody work. So if they work a foreign or they work a yard, the same work. And the same energy. The dollar might be bigger, but the same energy. So we have to show them how go on and thankful so we have some workman understanding and really run on money. You see me I say but this is it and then a couple of the workman them have kids who have come at the program too. So that even more encourage them to make the thing deal with it. You see me I say? But update.
So this is the update. And everyone as you can see this is the update. So we have a bag here as well, we have some balls. Put on that film. Open that for me. So we have some football in the UK and other country. I know US they will say soccer ball. So we got some soccer ball here from Oliver and Carla. You know Oliver and Carla already.
Oliver and Carla, extended family. You see how much ball is.
Count them, I think it's about 6. Check them. It's 6.
5. 6. Oh, sorry, General. Sorry. So 6.
So we have 6 ball here from Oliver and Carla because you know I'm watching him see and like him
so
can
Oliver
add some
Carla,
more.
Let me tell you them 6 ball now. I give you a little story about them 6 ball. You see, each individual, you see, the more ball we have, and the faster them learn. Because you give a man a ball and say, yo, do what you want to do. Do your strength. Yeah, even. So this are 6 more man individually. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
you can go 6 different places and say, yo, this is how we can do it. You go practice it.
Yeah.
Instead, I'm have to wait for the man if you done with a ball.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So the more ball, and the faster they make the fundamentals, and the faster they grow. And then make room for the next one to come. See what I say? So, at the end of the day, Carla
and Oliver.
This is not thanks again. Kino, we have to find a different word, you know. We have to look in the dictionary and find a different word.
And that word is not, the word is not in the dictionary.
You search for it already.
It's not in the dictionary.
You know,
some tell us the Almighty alone.
Yeah.
See here, got
6 more encouragement, 6 more youth is encouraged. Because the ball them is just as important as the boots them.
Of course. Because you know, inspire him, say, him went on one big park with a lot of soccer field.
Yeah.
And him see a coach come up in some big bags with pure soccer ball, football. And he must say like, this is what him want to try to do, to make trench to on the ball, them can have as much ball, so everyone have a ball. So the same thing what you say, where a man have to wait till the next man finish, and the same way him see it, he must say, yo, him see it, but him think he might need more ball. So that's the same saying, I'm going to try to get some more, to encourage the thing, so that enough soccer can't be enough, because it can't too much. I will give thanks to them, over and over.
So, unfortunately, I say something right now, where the reason why I say it, it's based on the community. Right now, for the past week and a half, I don't keep the program. Because we feed them like 6:37. And then the devil rear ugly again in the community where man a fire shot per man. Again, generally, it's not going away. No winner, no unite. See, it stopped the program there. Because the coach live at 4th Street. And the coach have a pass about 4 different gun corner, 4 different boundaries, 4 different borderline before him come to me. So when the coach called me and said, hey, JayJay, I go and breeze, because the place hot. I said, coach, do your thing, man. Because at the end of the day, I was safe to come first. But what caused that? We were there. You see me I say? Before we come coach the youth, then we have time for a fire shot for one another. Come on, man. We could come coach them, man.
Yes, I put the strength in that.
Yeah, and then, you know, Jay, I'm not afraid to talk, I'm not afraid to tell nobody. So listen, man. A garbage we do. A garbage we do. The amount of talent we have here, them no need for going a gun. We could put on them, man.
True.
Look how the field green, look on the field.
True.
We should have 2 men to cut it right now. That means that when the youth them done, a light we work on next.
Of course.
That means that when the youth them done at the day, the big man them flex them muscle, me and Kino come out, I will pick a 2 team them. One create a dragon, one create a this. I enjoy ourselves, man. Who want to fly go far and fly go far, and who want to stay and play and breathe, man, and go look work. And make the place nice.
True.
We don't need this. This only lead to self-destruction, brother.
And that's what is happening right now. It's just pure self-destruction.
Police kill a man at kill a youth at Third Street. Me could have been father. Me could have been father. Last mad where police kill. Me could have been father. All because what? Police here say go shot people around this and just come feed. Come on, man. We not see the trend. Me could block it, man. It's not that hard, man. It's not that hard in a boom.
Keep on repeat itself over and over.
You know I tell you, General, it hurt my dog. Because see there, from Monday to Thursday, the field there I want to see the youth there.
Can't see them.
Can't see the youth there. Because the parents them not going to send them come. Because remember, as a quick night come, we have to give them the training. We have to give them the maths and English. And later the day we have to give them food. Because we not send them home hungry. You see me? So we want this thing to cool them back brother and done. So the youth can come back at the training. The good thing is them have school. You see me I say? The good thing is school in now. So you know say alright then. School take a majority of them time. But that we want when school take the majority of them time, them the next 4 hours and we them monks.
Yeah.
I get more positive again.
True.
Then guess what? Them go on home after that. Man can't do homework and no one say yo. You know go back to school tomorrow homework to do. So guess what? My man I head to him yard. And I that we want to get the next generation for do. Now when we start fire shot now. Now be that them over here. And they are going to say, yeah man, they are top man around this, and then 3-4 of them want to be like him. Because of that, they must see. We kill that, man. I could done with that, brother. I could done with that, man. I'm so good at coming up with life. I'm so good at coming because remember everybody watch your program, you know. Come try something because won't not kill me. If a man to take up a gun and say, I'm shoot, you know, because I want. Me thought the rightness, come do it then because all the way have to go down under the earth.
Of course.
So if I this make me have to go down under the earth, so be it.
Righteousness, brother.
Righteousness, brother.
That is the way.
Me will know, say, alright, me win on my 2 months, alright. At least a righteousness will kill me for. More than you say, yo, I find the boy Jay in a car. Him fire some shot pan a man around us, or him son, or him rare fire some shot pan a man. No man, you can't look for me for that, man. Look for me if you say Jay. What? You talk out and say, yeah. So me do business there, no man can't come tell me about him want money for him fight and come buy a shot. You can't come tell me that. No man in here at all can't tell me that. Because I'm afraid of nobody, brother.
We don't support that.
We don't support that,
We don't support that, brother. We don't support that.
I must trick you about trick me, because guess what? You come and say, yo, Jay, I go and know so I'm hungry. I want to buy a pound of flour, I want a mackerel. And furthermore, I'm not going to give the money for buying either.
Yeah, just give him a mackerel.
I'm going to give the food. So go and go turn that in a gunshot now. Go and go turn a mackerel and pound of rice in a gunshot. And fire it. I know extortion, the man can't extort me neither. Yeah. Because I write as I'm good. Right as I'm good. Go to 4 years at Tivoli War. The man have a yard and go to school. I'm gonna come out, come be no sorry my language. I'm gonna come out, come do no garbage, brother. You boy have some man boy you wanna go through nothing. When the man they go to school, I go to school peaceful. I don't go to school peaceful general. I climb and college, I left us and go. 5 o'clock, I have to take bus down this. Yeah, a man can stay on me pen. See me I say? Exactly. So me no could have grow with that. And then guess what happened after that? No, guess what happened before that? Yeah, the man. Kill my father. Me no could have grow with that general. No for them man yeah. I know nobody in that. You understand me as a general? Come on man, first a fire shot pan second a fire shot pan third a fire shot pan fourth.
Tired of the cycle.
Joke man.
Tired to keep on repeat.
You know, me have a 10-year visa, I'm not touch it. I no could have run man. But that's not my purpose, brother. That's my purpose, you know that. My purpose is to build something, you know. If you know so the youth them can come. Kino, you know what this name? When it done and painted, you know what it's going to name? Heaven. I tell Satan the name already. Heaven is going to name us. That means you see when them not go to school, Jella. When you come, man, because Wi-Fi there, we have a big TV and we have a cushion in the room. The teacher not teach. Once he call me, I say, I know every day the teacher was there. So once teacher not teach, we say, right, YouTube, we watch some football. Man, must can cook, see kitchen there. See rice, see bag of rice, see bag of flour there. See mackerel, see bully beef there. Cook some food. And stay up on the compound.
True. See
the compound. You see which part of them pallet there, the general? Kino, look which part of them pallet there. You see which part of them pallet there, go back to the wall. I remember me talk everything before it happened.
Yeah.
It's a swimming pool I got this up.
Okay.
$1 million me yourself make it. Right now what I'm reach. Cause guess what? I want to create a heaven. You see when them come behind the fence there? You see when man come behind that man supposed to want to come. Up on top of it, we have benches. That means if a man want to eat in, I say him go up top, go eat and get some fresh air. Watch something, play some ball. As you're going the day done, you gone home, school the next day. School out, yes, so you're there. We are chuck off in a pool and we are swim. Exactly, brother.
Sure, I like the vision, love the vision.
And it have it happen. That way you see is just a storeroom to store the material them, you know. The board and remember you have to have farm and everything. So that's just place to store them. That will come down.
Temporary for the minute.
Temporary that. You have to protect them things. You have to protect the ply and the prop and the railway. And we are wall this. When the pool start, we are tear down this. Backward drive in and I dig out the pool. After I dig out that we just wall this. I know it's a pool we are dealing. So the academy, we have football, we have swimming. We have maths and English, we have food. You me I say? Yeah. Swimming, so tell me now. So when we create a reality then now, little. When we create a reality then and that wheel there spin. You have to tell me say the youth them are come, they have love that. Just stop fire on the shot now, man. Just stop fire on the shot. And remember, you know, the program not locked to nobody. You know. So if a gunman feel like say man put on the gun to them from JayJay program and go and run and go and help coach youth them. When a man cuss a bad word, him deal with him right now. So. You can do it right now, man. You can't right now. You can't right now, man. It's not locked to nobody, man. Cause guess what? All of us make mistakes in our life. And it's not too earth, it's not too old to say, you hear me? Yo, I change my life, you know.
Never too late.
Never too late. Cause breath still in our body.
Yeah, never too late.
Something out of myself, man. Yeah. More than police come run with them, brother.
It's never too late. And JayJay, I tell you, we can hear it in the voice, you know, and the extended family and whosoever watch this video, them can hear it in your voice and can hear say venting, you know.
Exactly.
Because it's tired of it. So
my thing is now, I could see how fast we can done this. I could see how fast, it's like how them fire for them shot fast. I could see how fast we can done our thing and get our thing up. Yeah. That means a man in the house and his son want, yo daddy, I can't get to go down, I can't get to go down. I can't get to go down there, I can't shut a fire. You have to feel it in yourself. Because you make a son now and come now, afraid to come now here. And guess what? When him look, 5, 6 o'clock the road there. Police are whoa. No man.
Yeah. We are praying for changes. We pray for changes. Yeah, we want to do the right thing. Because I continue the journey the same way.
Right.
You know, and hopefully it will always be the same. Stop, start. So hopefully one time it can stop and it don't start back. You know, so let's pray for that.
So that's why we have. That's why we can't just. That's why we have to put our things in place.
Same way. Yeah. Can't make it discourage you.
No.
Let's go and pray for the protection and the guidance.
Now, once them cool down, the youth them will come back.
JayJay, book and ball. You know what thing going on, I touch the road right now.
Cool and general, man. They are going to clean up the premises, man.
Go and do the right thing, man, you see me?
Alright, brother, big up.
Yeah? Well. I see you smile. See my friend. See my friend over there. My friend. And we have the beautiful Brittany Houston. Yes, Brittany Houston, not Whitney Houston. And I got my drama, the big actress here. Hello. Hollywood actress. And we got Tremaine, the younger hero. Superman. I'm not lying, I'm coming here, place is bright, so I bring company. I got a company, you know, who's really heartfelt by what the family is going through. And it really touching so much. And really like feel it for the family. It's a man where tears come to him eye when we see when we really are go through. You know, so he want to make it in point of view, just to visit himself, you know, because it brought a lot of tears to him, you know, and in here.
Are you coming?
So we have the son of Tara and Suki. The Satnam. Yes. We have the son of Tara and Suki. And the reason why I want Satnam there right here so now for that news that now we're about to share, because smile still can't come off. I'm not talking to Satnam. The smile don't come off. Hey.
Let us know.
So let us know. I know the extended family wants to know.
Good. So we get a call from ministry August the 31 that they are approved of paying Bianca's school fee.
Whoa. Who's that over there? Who's that over there? Go Bianca, it's her birthday. I got children here. We got children, you know, the artists now bought records, you know, and bros, everyone here witness the good news, you know. Look at the smiles over there. You see the dancing already. You see the dancing already. See that sat now? It's bring joy, you know.
Thank you, Jamaican government. Thank you for helping this wonderful family. You know, we can only do this together, so with your help, we really thank you so much. You have no idea how we feel right now, knowing that we walked into Amanda's house, and it's just a joy. Thank you so much. God bless everybody that's involved in the government. Thank you so much. We really appreciate and we honor you. Thank you.
It is a joy, man. Amanda, come on, break it, man.
So when I got the letter and I reached to the school, one lady was like, there's no space. And I was like, seriously, no space? And I was praying and everything, and I sitting down in the chair in the office, and I want let me I get mad. I'm just sitting down and I start praying, and I said, pray, and same time I see the principal come out, and the principal said, oh, you're here. And I said, yes. She said, give me 5 minutes. I said, 5 minutes come. I said, 1 hour come, no answer. I said, Father, remember, you know, remember Bianca. I said, 2 hours come, still I wait. I said, no man. I said, Father, remember Bianca, you know I don't want to stay home one next year without go to school. Only to hear when the lady come back to me and said, go up to auntie. Auntie go sort out something for you. I could not even scream, I couldn't do nothing. I am so happy. You know, God answer prayer. So every 3 months ministry would be able to pay her school fee until they did not give me any specific time or when they want to stop, but they will be able to pay the school fee. I got the proof.
You got the proof. She's got the proof. See the ministry. Ministry, thank you so much because I know to see the video, you know, because the world been talking about this video. I will know say reach and it touch on the heart ministry of education. You understand? And Father got reach and touch you from some place where I never expect it. You know, it's 97,000 every 3 months. Me I say, yo, this family cannot do it. You know, the same thing was talking about Satnam last night. I say, yo, how she gonna do it one time? She already needs so much support as well.
Last night,
you know, and look at that. It's a surprise I came with, you know, because she never surprised. And look at my friend run up and down on the bed I did. Oh God, that's joy. You know, and as I said, God answer prayers.
Yes, he do.
You know, if you don't believe, just trust me. Faith and you will see, you know. Just put the message out there, man. I'll send it out there to the world.
One problem that I have now, I got the school fee. I got their school fee off me. Now I have the book list. And the book list was
long.
The book list really long. I sent it the book list, Kino.
Yeah. So you have it here?
No, they send it email.
You have it on the email?
Yes, I have it on email. So they send it to the email. So this. Okay. When me see it, my head was exploding. But hear me say. So hear me myself now. I send it to Kino and see what Kino can do. And I didn't get any response from Kino. And then same time Kino called me this morning and said he's coming right at my foot.
Right. That's what the Almighty.
Just a while ago when they said, Brittany, call Kino so far in there. Same time Kino appeared. He was always on time.
Always. Because the Almighty, that's when
He's
set
working
things.
through you.
It's the same thing I said to Satnam. I say sometimes we move is like the Almighty. When we move, it's like more time I can't move because the body and the energy now tell me say to go to that spot. But when time tell me I'm so anxious, I know say yo, it is the time. You know, and I tell you say Satnam here in friend JayJay and man shed tears to see and him pray a lot. You know. Because I need a way for the family. And for him to make him way just to come visit here, you must know. You understand? And there's a lot of viewers and extended family out there where feel the same, or go through the same, you know, the same pain. And you go through them, feel it for you as a mother. You know, because a lot of single mother out there watch the program, go through what they go through, you understand? And then pray that a lot for you as well.
And so now I'm starting to pray again because I got the shadow to pay every month. $30,000. So now I have to get a driver to bring her to school, and from school I'm looking at $5,000 for the driver.
For the driver.
So I have to find
a week?
A week.
Okay, $5,000
so I have
a week.
to find like the bills.
So the driver.
That's not 30, so that's 50.
Yeah.
So it's 50 just for the shadow and for the driver every month.
Yeah, so the shadow and the driver. So at least we get the big anchor
Big
out the
one.
way.
This is the big one.
Anchor, that was it right there. So open up again for them one more time to show our extended family who we know is the donors, and we upgrade the name to the extended family, you know, because
We're all family.
yeah, we're a family, because it's not right to
come
say
from, no matter what color you are, no matter what job you have, no matter what you do in life, we are all connected. We're family. We're connected. As much as we don't, I mean, the negativity will tell you that yeah, we're different and we have different gods, but no, we're all the same. We all breathe. Yes, he just has many names because he's the Almighty, so he's allowed to have many names. And so yeah, but we're all family. We all work together, and we can help each other and just get through this thing called life. No one got a manual, no one got a booklet. We're just trying to figure it out as we go. Some people are not as fortunate, so the fortunate ones have to. It's our duty to try and help, you know. And yeah, I mean, I'm just happy to know this is, your prayers are coming true, and we're gonna work together, and hopefully we can figure it out together, sis. And you're not by yourself, my sister. You're not on your own. I can promise you that you're not on your own. You have Kino, you have me, you have a lot of people that are with you. So you just keep praying, just do them, because one day something's gonna happen and you're gonna get paid. I promise you. I can tell you by just looking and feeling their energy. Something's gonna happen. They're all gonna do something special, and and that's why it's so important for you to give them a life, and I honor that. I respect that. Yeah, Kino says we shed tears. I shed tears. I was upset from two reasons. I was upset and I cried, me and Jay, because I was upset with the government for one reason, but I'm not anymore. Thanks, guys. Love you guys. I take those tears back, and then also, you know, the person that helped you bring this child, and it's not nice, but you have your brothers, okay? Make sure you know that. When you make it down, you have your brothers that are here. Doesn't matter where we are, which country we are there for you. Just let Kino know and we're here. Okay? Yeah. God bless you,
man. And it's been a journey, man. I would thank you so much, brother Satnam. You know, thank you so much. It's been a journey. And as I said, the journey, it does shows, you know. It pays off with a lot of faith and hope. You know, because unexpectedly, you know, miracle happens. You know, it keep on happens more than one time on this program. You know, it keep on happening. Like it's
speaking very fast.
Very fast. Alright, you know, I have the beautiful Britney Houston here. You know, I am telling you, man, because the world I talk about that beautiful voice. You understand? I'm telling you, it's not gonna turn a blind eye. You know, because we have family, we have brothers. You got big brother Satnam here without mention. And then you got Trillan here.
Because I've heard about her day before yesterday, or a couple days ago, long before.
Alright, let me tell you what. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna make you hear something. What a surprise that. Make sure you hear the voice, I can see the face.
Alright. So, I'm not worried about tomorrow. My life is in His hands. I'm not worried about my sorrows. I'm here at His command. Give me strength when I need it. Supply it with the man. So when I call upon His name, you know my life won't be the same. Bless it.
Blessed love, blessed love. You see that? And we have Brian said, because she's going to match the voice. Look at voice on the voice. I'm putting it right on the spot, because that's an artist, you know. So I put him on the spot. So that's how I'm playing you on the spot right now. So.
Well, we have a song, yes.
Yes.
It's not my song.
We are celebrating, so see, right now we are celebrating anything at all, because we are celebrating Bianca's today. Right? So.
Alright, I'm going to sing Justin Bieber's song, Holy.
Yeah.
Nervous.
Yeah, man, we are celebrating, man. So we're nervous with you. When you say extended family, we're nervous with her. We're celebrating Bianca.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I heard a lot about sinners. Don't think that I'll be a saint, but I might go down to the river. But the way that the skies open up when you touch it, making me say, the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. feel so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, I'm running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second, cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feel so holy.
Jeez, oh God, give her a round of applause, man. So we have two great minds, great talent here. See you in the house of blessings, because it becomes a celebration, you know. It's the house of blessings right now because it's raining down here in blessings, you know. It's pure joy, me I feel right now. You don't sleep, man. You don't sleep.
Somehow, somebody will say something. Somehow, you just have to stay true. That's it, you know, guys. You're not on your own. You not on your own. You guys are not on your own. You hear that?
Never.
You guys are not by yourselves, alright? I promise you. You have some family, okay?
So Bianca, how excited are you out of 10?
10. 1 million.
1 million. Yes. Yeah, so the main thing now is the shadow and the taxi and the book list. So the book list, you don't have a price for that as yet.
No, I don't have a price.
So you have to check it out.
You have the email, you could forward the email.
Yeah, we'll forward it.
Yeah.
The email. But I send you the picture through WhatsApp. I send it
Even that.
through
Yeah.
WhatsApp.
Yeah. We need to get the price. There's a price on it though. We need to get the price.
The price. So I have to check the bookshop or
Yeah.
So you can actually take the book list to them. And you can put it's either they put the prices beside it to inform you, to let you know this amount or whatever, so then you can give an estimate now, so you can check up all of that now and make it.
Or we'll send the picture, and then even if we pass a bookstore, one of us can run into the bookstore because you got we have a car, we can drive to the bookstore, find out how much the price, and then we'll figure it out. Alright, sis?
Yes. So that is it. Tara, the son of Tara and Suki. You know, anywhere she lies, that's where the Almighty send him. You understand? Because he never follow the wrong energy. He always follow the right energy. For sure. So that's where it is. So he's here for the blessing to see you, man. Celebrating Bianca. We're not celebrate you today, you know, man. We're not celebrate you, you know. Hero, sorry, you're not hero. Yeah, sorry, you're not hero. Today, you're the hero. And you know, actress, and you're there today, you know, not even Britney Houston there, Bianca there. You say, Bianca, you now sing a song for me today.
Come down someone.
Alright. I am here.
Okay, ready? Mama started? Yes, you said so. Alright.
Yeah.
Hold on. You listen to your song more. Don't wanna hurt me. Yeah. You wanna feel how it feels. Yeah. You wanna know that it doesn't hurt me. Yeah. You wanna hear about the deal. And you and me. So if I could make a deal with God, I'll get him to swap our places. Be running on that road, be running on that hill, be running up that building. So if I could.
Hey, round of applause. That was awesome. You know?
I love that song.
Yeah.
I love that song. You like that song? I love that song.
Yeah, I like it. I don't know it. The first time hearing it.
It comes from an old movie, Stranger Things.
Yes.
Oh.
Lovely movie.
See, she got the music ears, you know. She got the music ears. I would give thanks. I want to thank all the viewers, them, our extended family. And thank you so much for the prayers. Thank you so much for the blessings, for you lot been putting out for this family, you know. And as I said, the journey don't stop because it's a marathon. You know, it's very long. Yeah, so the blessings, I would say Tara and Suki, you know, Art of Love, you know, them have an Art of Gold. And as we mentioned, say 30,000 a month for the shadow, 5,000 every week for the taxi driver, and booklist. You forgot what booklist, right? Which is you gotta investigate so we can know the price and know the pricing and that. So I've got a blessing, you know, from Tara and Suki towards the shadow. I got 10,000 a year, helping out towards the shadow, which is 30,000 a month. So we have a start. I know every race have a start, and in mark, get set, go. So we have 10,000 a year, you know, towards the shadow for Bianca schooling, you know, and it's a blessing from
Thank you very much.
From Tara and Suki.
Thank you, Tara and Suki. May God bless you. Your basket never empty. Thank you very much.
You're gonna tell them thank you too?
Thank you, Tans.
Thank you.
Tara and
Suki. Thank you, Tara and Suki.
yeah, and I need my Kimberly. Come on, Kimberly, my actress.
Thank you, Tara and Suki.
Oh, thank you, Tara and Suki.
Yeah. Let me tell you, she got it natural. You know, she's a natural actress. You know, you need to go to the drama, mommy. Fling her a drama class, right? Yeah. Suki, Tara and Suki. We have an explainer. You want to explain for me? Give me something.
Jimmy, can you come here play for me, please?
I would regret that idea. You know what I did today.
Sit down one place, please.
God,
Can I borrow the chocolate?
What you say?
Yes, the chocolate.
You can tranquilize the one.
don't do this.
Thank you. Now lay down the YouTube.
So she's the actress in the family, you know. We got the singer, and we have the intelligent one over there, Bianca, you know, with the brains, and we have Jimmy and the hero, you know.
Get killed.
You have an amazing smile, Bianca. Your smile is
Trust.
as well. That's
Yeah.
sweet. It's her smile that lights up this room. Look at
Yeah,
that.
she got a
Look at that
smile.
Wow. Wow. That's it. Wow. Look at that. God bless you.
God bless you. JayJay.
One team.
Extended
Family.
Yeah, they got that one.
Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.